difficulty in moving, fight for life. Wild horses or zebras both possess a secret weapon, a powerful hind kick with their two hind legs. However, this video will bring you moments when lions injure wild horses. Lions versus wild horses. No stranger to us anymore, the lion is renowned as one of the most formidable predators. With inherent strength coupled with sharp teeth and claws, this large cat often subdues large prey species. Lion hunting techniques mainly depend on stalking. They are not good at running, so lions often get close to their prey before attacking. To hunt prey like wild horses, lions must participate in dangerous chases. Please comment on number 1 if you like this video. The average wild horse can run about 200 miles per hour and kick with a force of about 2,000 pounds per inch. However, predators like lions can be in danger in many cases, no matter how powerful. The kick of a wild horse can cause a big cat to break several ribs. However, hunting wild horses is rare for lions but still occurs. The anger of wild horses is terrifying. Such powerful attacks can easily take down opponents like a lion. Although wild horses may be physically smaller than lions, they make up for it in speed. Wild horses are up to 30% faster than this big cat. But facing an entire family of lions is not easy. This wild horse was lucky to escape the attack of the big cats, but unfortunately was seriously injured. Leg pain makes it more difficult to move. Unfortunately, this wild horse was attacked by a male lion. Many significant injuries on the body. However, with their will to survive, wild horses are not easily defeated despite being injured. Despite being regularly attacked by lions, but thanks to their survival instinct, zebras have often turned the tables and, unbelievably, escaped predators. For millions of years, lions and zebras have always faced each other in the fight for survival. Lion hunts often take place very fiercely. However, they are not always successful. Large prey is the only way to satisfy hunger. That motivated the lioness to hunt. Chasing. Success or failure is part of a lioness's life. But in every hunt, there is a high risk of injury. The horse then became angry, suddenly turning back to fight the predator. Fortunately, the lion was not injured after the zebra's missed kicks. However, in many cases, no matter how powerful these predators are, they can be dangerous. The zebra ran away and kicked the lioness straight in the face. Perhaps this hunt was a disaster for him, and the praise kick may have broken a few ribs for the big cat. Even in some cases, such as protecting young, they can cause scary predators like leopards or lions to be injured from kicks. Although scared, the zebra still tried to fight against the big cat. Perhaps the lion's attempt to hunt this time ended in disastrous failure. They are not good at running, so lions often get close to their prey before attacking. Very quickly, the lioness locked a zebra's neck. The victim constantly tries to escape the sharp teeth of the predator. Will this unfortunate zebra escape from the hungry lion? Lion versus crocodile. As you may know, crocodiles are known as fearsome predators in swamps. And it is not without reason that they are named like that. Most of the time, when underwater, they have no opponents. Crocodiles have a bite force of up to 2,125 pounds per square inch, psi, and are about 3 to 4 times stronger than a whale's bite. Most crocodiles are carnivores that hunt and consume their prey by biting and crushing them. Even on land and outside lion habitats, crocodiles are among the enemies of big cats. Please comment on number 1 if you like the battles of these two kings. Lions may be the jungle king, but their dominance only stops at the river's edge. Because underwater is the territory of another predator, crocodiles. With a bite force 10 times stronger than a shark, it is also known as the jaw of death. Although dangerous, lions have only one place to drink water. A shallow lake may seem safe, but lions are not the only masters of ambush. Now the king of the steppe is threatened by a crocodile while drinking water. Therefore, when food resources become scarce, competition between these two species becomes more fierce than ever. Most lions will hunt in groups and use strength in numbers to overwhelm large prey. And this big cat is smart enough to know that attacking a crocodile is never a wise choice. At this time, the smell of food stimulates the crocodile. Crocodiles are one of the largest animals in the world. They can be more than 6 meters long and weigh several hundred kilograms. They are formidable predators with sharp and powerful teeth that allow them to take down their prey. The crocodile's head is exceptional with a sharp snout and serrated teeth, helping it catch underwater prey very well. Although afraid of water, hunger made the lion more daring. It rushed to wrestle its prey with the crocodile. Perhaps the crocodile made a mistake in bringing the meal to land, the best chance for the lion to get the food back. Drink water. The leopard seemed to sense something unusual lurking under the river surface. Always be alert. However, in the blink of an eye, the crocodile ambushed from below, quickly pulling the leopard into the water. Losing its advantage, the cheetah struggled in vain and was engulfed by the predator known as the Swamp King. Most crocodiles usually hunt their prey close to water sources. Even a leopard cannot escape death's clutches. The cheetah family started hunting, targeting small migrating antelopes. When confronting other fierce animals to keep their prey, fighting for territory, protecting their cubs, or in conflicts and encounters, cheetahs appeared to be at a disadvantage compared to other predators. Such as lions, hyenas, leopards, and crocodiles. This time, the large herd of crocodiles scared the three cheetahs into leaving behind their prey's carcasses and running away. Maybe you know crocodiles, also known as swamp killers, possess countless formidable weapons. Despite their incredible talents, crocodiles fear hippos, a seemingly gentle species. Both crocodiles and hippos are primarily aquatic and terrestrial creatures. Therefore, tense confrontations often occur when they live close to each other. But hippos possess many formidable weapons: wide jaws, skin as thick as armor, unpredictable temperament, stubborn nature, and powerful bite force. It can attack crocodiles or crush crocodiles about 3 meters long. A crocodile attacked the poor prey. It then became food for hungry crocodiles. A rare and unique event ensued when herbivorous hippos unexpectedly joined the party. It seems like it wants to compete with the crocodile for prey.